The foundations I'm learning in my diploma right now are going to be applicable in any business I run. So very useful.
The business that David Schultz is running now is his own, Window Washing Warriors in Lac La Biche. A born entrepreneur, Schultz is a Portage College Business Administration student who took 7 years off after high school, but says he had no problems at all adjusting.
I'm so thankful that I come back to doing school, especially at a place that, has small class sizes and I can answer my questions one-on-one, and some of my projects I could do on my business, which totally was awesome. Because it made my learning not regurgitating information, especially when I did tests. It was basically like, I'm learning this and my test will be if I can make money because I'm actually learning what they're teaching. Very applicable. So I have enjoyed it tremendously. A lot of people, they struggle cleaning windows, especially higher ones. And really it's not safe for them to clean their own windows, especially those who are afraid of heights or maybe elderly. And it's not safe for them to clean their own windows. And so I have a very good balance and tall, and so I can help.
COVID-19 forced the cancellation of all college athletics, and that means sidelining Schultz's and his teammates' second year of ACAC soccer. But Schultz will be back at the books in the fall on his way to a BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration in Management.
It's really beneficial for people who want to do well in finance, be able to control their money. Business math was very interesting for me, basically all about interest. Instructors were amazing and really made it practical for what you were learning.
The sky is the limit with all business programs at Portage College. For more information, visit portagecollege.ca.